Assalamu-Alaikum. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. How are you today? How is everyone keeping? I hope and pray, inshallah, we're doing our best to be good, to stay safe, to look after our families, look after ourselves. Yes. And please, we must also stay very close to our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ramadan is finished doesn't mean everything is finished. We must do our bit to always stay close to Him. Because without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are nothing. We must remember that. Sometimes it's difficult, people get busy in their lives. But look at COVID-19. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has just stopped the world. So we must take stock and try to figure out why. So, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Hijabs and You. This channel was created for you, with you in mind. I've been a hijabi for many, many years. And I take a lot of pride in being a hijabi. And my intention for creating this forum was so that I can bring to you my love for my hijab. Encourage you sisters, for the ones that are wearing it. Some of us wear it part-time, some of us wear it full-time. Some of us don't wear it, some of us, cover up completely. Each one of us has a different story. And each one of us, we're individuals. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who gives the call. And you just pray and pray hard that He gives you the call. It's a journey I've been on. I wasn't always a hijabi. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the call. And it's been a day that I've never looked back from. Alhamdulillah. By the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He gives you that call, and if you take the call, it changes your life around. And I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful that He gave me the call. Yes. And I hope and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that someday, if you're not, He will give you the call and you will accept the call. My vision here at Hijabs and You is to help each and every one of you and myself, for us to stay close to our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and for us to wear a hijab with a lot of pride, with respect. It's beautiful. Look at this. We don't need to, not be covered to look beautiful, to feel beautiful. The hijab is the most beautiful thing you could put on and feel beautiful about yourself. So, with that, like I said, I welcome you here to my channel. For those sisters that have been with me from inception and the ones that have joined along the way, I am so thankful for each and every one of you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you for giving me the love and the support to carry this forum forward. And if you're new here today and you're just visiting for the first time, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you will like what you see and you will be encouraged to stay to the end. And hopefully at the end, you would have liked what you've seen and you'll stay. Yes, that's my dua. That if you're here for the first time, that I encourage you to stay and you like what you see. Inshallah. Inshallah. Well, today it's supposed to be a very quick tutorial. I've been making some really, really long videos. And sometimes I know you don't have the time. You just want to look and see and go. And you have me, Naz, who likes to interact with you. And I always have a little speech and a little sermon for everybody. But that's who I am. And that's what I want for my forum. My forum is to help you, to encourage you, and for you to encourage me and give me support, and let's interact with each other. Leave me comments. There's so many ways you can get in touch with me. My details are at the bottom, so leave a comment below this video. Yes, let's interact with each other. If you can help me and we can put forward some more on this channel, I'm open to any suggestions. Yes, and I'm hoping that what I bring to you, that you will use it and it will benefit you. And if it benefits you, share it with others, please. If you like what you see, make sure you share it with others. Because if you share it, and if someone sees it, and they're encouraged to put a scarf on, or they're encouraged to change their lifestyle around, you never know when the calling would come, and from where and what direction it comes from. So we make our effort. We have to make our effort. And then we leave the rest for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to take care of. Yes. I'm so thankful being here. I love what I'm doing. I'm hoping we can build this platform and we can take it forward and we can continue to grow. Right now I'm uploading a video every day. Soon enough I'm going to change that. Inshallah, probably by the end of the week, by next week, I'm going to change that schedule. But I will let you know. Things are changing. Work is coming back to normal. I have to go back to work. I do have a full-time job. This is just another part of what I do and what I love doing. So it's going to be tough to get you a video every day. I love it. I really do enjoy it. But sometimes it becomes difficult because you've got other responsibilities too. So inshallah, make dua for me that I can continue to bring you good stuff, and we can share this platform for a very long time. So here we are today. It's a simple wrap, and that's all it is. It's simple. It's got some folds. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't tell you how much I love this look. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. And I hope you like it too. I hope you like it enough to want to try it, to want to make sure you really try it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's simple, simple, simple. And so let me show you how I got this look. So stay with me. So I've got my ninja on today, and if you've been with me, following me, I'm a very, 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 very fond of my ninja. And the reason why, and I explain it to you why, I've done a video, I've got a tutorial with underscars, so please, if you want to know more about this, please watch that video of the underscars. However, this here keeps things in place. Now, if you have issues with the overheating or going through menopause, or you're not able to manage with the heat, you can wear a simple cap. And you can still do the same thing. For me, I'm comfortable with this. It covers my neck, it covers the back, and I have no fussing. All the tiny hairs are covered, so I'm comfortable with this. But if you cannot handle it, you can wear a tube, you can wear a cap. There's so many options. Just make sure you watch that under cap. I've done a video on underscars, and it's important that you watch that one. So here we are. So we got this really beautiful shawl today. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the fabric. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. But it's a simple scarf. It's just the fabric is nice, and it looks beautiful on. The color is vibrant. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on overhead, and we're going to make sure we've got two length. One is the shorter side, one is the longer side. And work with me because it's very simple. It's not difficult at all. What we're going to do is just put some pressure here and give it a small fold. And as you fold it, you make sure that your pleats are nicely set so it stays in place. And you put a pin, safety pin. Okay, done. So far so good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over, but bring it from the back, and we're going to put this over here like that. And when we fold that over, we give it some pleats so it folds nicely over here. Good so far? So that's falling there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring the other side, the longer side, just going to bring it under the neck and have a small fold, just a tiny fold. And we're going to bring it over here. And as we bring it over here, we're going to give it a pin up here. Just fold it over so you have some pleats, so you have some volume happening, so it looks pretty. So when you fold it over, it really looks pretty because you've got some pleats happening and it's some volume. Remember, you've got the shorter side underneath too, so it gives us some nice volume there. And I'm going to use a stick pin. I think I'm going to use one of the larger ones. See that? And I'm just going to put it here. And then you pull it so you have your folds in the front, because we want some coverage. We don't want to. And then pull that here. I don't like how that's falling, so I'm going to move it over just a tiny bit. It takes a little bit of finessing. And then I'm pinning it. And what did I do with my pin? I know I have it here. It's here. It's here. And then you just finesse with your... It's so pretty. I love it. It just takes a little bit of working on to get the pleats nicely. And remember, we want to have some coverage, like I said, right? We want to have a little bit of coverage, and that comes in the front. Oh my, love it. Just fold it nicely so it sits nicely. You've got the really nice pleats there, and this is absolutely gorgeous. And you've got a lot of folds happening. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is not sitting as I want it to sit. Just bear with me. Let me pull some pleats over just so that we can have some nice pleats. Like I said, everything takes a little bit of finessing. And then now I feel like I've gotten it better. and it just sits nicely. And we've got the folds happening. You've got some pleats over here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The fabric of the hijab is so beautiful, and it's nice. You don't have to worry about, let's make sure that the back is covered. I want to make sure that we are covered everywhere. So we've got, look at that. We are covered. The front has got the most beautiful of folds, and this here is sitting so nicely. And look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? You like that? I love it. And all we have is we have one pin here, a safety pin, and we've wrapped it, and we brought a, there's a stick pin here. That's it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you like that, because it's supposed to have been a very short, very short and easy tutorial. It's just a simple wrap with the full coverage, with a bit of volume. It absolutely looks beautiful, and you should try it. You have to promise that you will try it. Absolutely try it. Now I'm happy with how that falls. See how it falls nice? It's got a little bit of pleats in there. It's absolutely beautiful. Don't you think? Absolutely gorgeous. Yes. Tell me you like it. Anyway, I hope you like that, because I enjoyed bringing it to you. It gives me so much satisfaction when I try to put together a tutorial and I try to put together a new style and it works for me, and hopefully it will work for you. Like I always say to you, if you want to try the style, which I hope that you should try every time I do a tutorial, make sure you stand in front of the mirror and you try and put it together. And if it doesn't work the first time, you play the video as you're putting it together and work with it. It will happen. It just takes a little bit of practice, a little bit of finessing, and even for myself, it takes finessing to get it right. It doesn't happen like that. It's just a bit of practice, and then it all happens. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you enjoy that, because I love bringing it to you. I really enjoy doing what I'm doing here. So, if you like what you see, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you're here for the first time and you're here still, that means I must have done something right. So please hit the subscribe button and press the all. Click on the all so you get the notification every time I do an upload. So, stay safe. Please do your bit. And try to always do the best you can at all times. Remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always, He is happy when His servant comes to Him. So please don't forget, we need to go to Him. We have to make our preparation. It's important, okay? Make sure you make the best of every moment. And until we meet again, this is Naz saying to you, stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Be vigilant. We still need to stay, take care of ourselves. Until we meet again. Assalamu alaikum.